So today is Wednesday and I'm going to be heading into the gym. I did weights both Monday and Tuesday, so I'm thinking of just doing cardio and abs today. But yeah, I just got in the post this gorgeous hoodie from Oysho. Still not sure how to say that. It's a sports hoodie, so it's really thin, but it's super soft and super comfy. It's in kind of like a salmony pink colour. I love it. And then I also got a few other things. I'm thinking of doing a Oysho haul on my channel. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see that. I think I'll probably do it for next week. But yeah, I'm loving their stuff. I may even prefer it more than Gymshark, so we'll see how it goes. I'm going to try it out in the gym today. So it's Thursday today and I'm in the midst of editing today's video. Unfortunately it's going to be uploaded late because I've had so many things to do today and I'm stressed out of my mind, but it will be going up eventually. I'm nearly done. I just need to watch it through once more. And yeah, so I'm in the midst of editing and my Amazon parcel came and I wanted to open it with you, so I got a new water bottle today. I've been looking out for one for quite a while and this one just grabbed my attention. I got Will one as well, so I thought we would open it up together. But the thing that drew me to this one is that you can track your water intake. There's no spill, there's no flavor transfer. It's a high quality reusable bottle and you can add fruit or ice to it, which sometimes water bottles you can't always get the ice in. So I'm excited to try this. I have been using the Teamy tumbler, but it's more for like tea. It has quite a big opening to it, so if I am like chugging it like I do in the gym, it just goes everywhere. So it's not the best water bottle, but it is a great for tea and smoothies. But yeah, let's open her up. Okay guys, so since we last spoke, I've had a slight breakdown. My computer decided to freeze. It also decided that the software that I use to edit my videos on decided to have fun with me and toy with me, so much so that I really wanted to throw my computer at a wall. So I'm very much in need of a good old-fashioned gym session. I've put it away for now. I think I'm going to come back to it after the gym and hopefully everything will have been uploaded, and I'm going to upload Thursday's video at 9 o'clock. I do apologise guys if that's not the best time for you. Do comment when is the best time for you. I'd love to know, then I can really organise things for you. At the moment it's 5 o'clock, but let me know in the comments down below. Obviously this week is not 5 o'clock, it's 9 o'clock. Right, I need to stop ranting. Gym time, it's legs day, yay! And I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing. Morning guys, so it is Friday today and I've just had my first weigh-in since I got back from Portugal, and I'm really happy. I didn't put that much weight on to what I expected, although just so I didn't, you know, spiral downwards, I did wait a week to weigh myself, just because mentally that could affect my mood for the day. And I'm actually really happy with my weight. So yeah, good start to the day. Thinking of doing some uni work this morning. I like to do 2 to 3 hours a day. It just helps go through it. I've left myself enough time to get through my dissertation and just do around about 2 to 3 hours a day, and that suits my productivity levels to a T. So that's what I'll be doing this morning, and then hopefully later on we are going to be taking Cassie and Schnaps to the beach. They're only about, I think they're 1 year old now, and we take them on their own to the beach at the moment just to train them a little bit, get them better at recall. And during the week the beaches are a lot less, there's a lot less people there, so that's why we go there. I thought I would show you my breakfast today since I am back on the health kick, and that is going to be my classic banana and Weetabix with almond milk. Hi guys, so I have just been in the gym and I got so into it that I forgot to film part of it, so I'm sorry about that. But I just did 10 minutes on the bike, full body workout, and then 10 minutes on the running machine to finish off. Will's out tonight, so it's just me and the girls. Cassie, just me and Cassie and Schnaps, and the two minis. They're too small to do that. So yeah, I'm just gonna give them their dinner, then I'm gonna get a shower and make my dinner, and then we're gonna kick back on the sofa, aren't we, and watch Vampire Diaries. Right, who's ready for dinner? Vicky, Crystal, sit, sit. Good girl, Pixie. Sit, Crystal. Sit. Good girl, Crystal. Shucks, good girl. Good girl. You gotta sit, Cassie. Sit. Oh, good girl. Clever girl. They're all eating. Time for a shower. So it is Sunday today and we have just taken the dogs for a walk and slightly missed the rain, ever so slightly. Poor Crystal fell in the river, so she's currently getting a bath, which is not her favourite thing. I am going to be making the Yorkshire pudding mix today because we're having a Sunday dinner, and us English folk love a good Sunday dinner. We're having a roast chicken, so I'm going to be making the Yorkshire pudding mixture this morning and putting it in the freezer. I just find that's the best way to make them. And then I'm also going to be making banana bread, and I think this will finish off the vlog. So yeah, I'm going to show you how I make my banana bread. I absolutely love it. It is so yummy, and yeah, let's get to it. So my banana bread is done, guys. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday, and I'll see you next week. Bye.